Welcome students to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the characteristics of computer. So we know the definition of computer. What does a computer do? It inputs data, it processes this data, and finally it stores the data. And if we want, we can also retrieve data from the computer. So finally, we can say that computer is a data processor. Now, we'll discuss about the characteristics of computer. Speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, power of remembering, no IQ, no feelings. These are all the characteristics of computer. We'll discuss about these characteristics in detail. So first one is speed. The computer can work very fastly. So compared to a human being, the computer is very fast and it can operate on millions and millions of instructions, and within a fraction of second it will produce the output. The speed of the computer is measured in terms of microseconds, nanoseconds, and picoseconds. Next, we'll move on to the next characteristic, accuracy. Accuracy means very correct. It will give precisely the output and it will not make any errors. If the computer is producing inaccurate result, it means that the human beings, that is the user using the system, has given a wrong input. The computer will never make any mistake. Whatever is the mistake, it is the output of the input that we have given to the computer. So always it will give accurate data. Next one is diligence. The computer will never get tired. Whatever work you do, you give, it will keep on doing that particular work. It does not lose concentration. Whereas human beings, after doing some work, we get tired. We lose concentration. We feel monotony. That is, every time we are doing the same work, we have feelings like that and all. But computer does not have any feelings like that. Whatever work you do, it keeps on doing it. So that characteristic is called as diligence. Next one is versatility. Versatility means it can do many kinds of job simultaneously. That is, at the same time, it can do many kinds of jobs. For example, calculations, graphics work, can searching, everything you can do at the same time. So that is called as versatility. So next one, power of remembering. So human beings, we forget things. We can't tell that we can remember everything. But computers, whatever you give, it remembers. It can store huge amount of data. It doesn't know whether it is important, not important. It will keep on storing whatever data you ask it to store. If it is you don't want, then you can go and delete that data. So it is having a very good memory. So the power of remembering is very high in computers. Next one, IQ. It does not have any IQ. It cannot think on its own. It is not intelligent. The programs and the instructions that you are feeding as input to the computer makes the computer a very intelligent machine. That's the thing. It just follows the human instruction. It never does a task on its own. So it does not have any IQ. That is, it does not have any brain. Whereas you take human beings, we can think and we can take up our own decisions. Okay, so like that it cannot be done in the computer. Next one, no feeling. The computer does not have any feeling. It just follows the human instructions. It never takes decision on its own. It does not have any taste. It does not have any emotions. It does not have any knowledge. So, students, in today's class, I have given you the characteristics of computers. So, learn the headings correctly and make use of it. Thank you, students, for watching. Subscribe the channel.